A program is a collection of projects where all those projects are serving the same goal. That is, to achieve certain business benefits. These business benefits are usually defined as the program goals. Projects are managed by project managers. However, since they need to coordinate and complement each other so that the business benefits can be achieved, program management comes into play. The program manager takes the responsibility of coordinating the project managers. Let us take an example to understand the concept. An organization based in North America decides to start manufacturing and selling their products in Europe. Therefore, they start a program with the aim to start selling in Europe. There are multiple projects that will have to be executed before the organization can start selling in Europe. What will be some of those projects? A project to study and understand legal requirements to manufacture and sell those products in Europe. A project to find a nice place to set up European head office. A project to find a good location to build the manufacturing plant. A project to source raw materials. And a project to look at how to market the products in Europe, and few other projects. Of course, few of these projects will be started in the beginning and others will be initiated at an appropriate time. So a project was started to find a good location for the plant, and it has decided to set up the plant, let's say in Belgium, and now it is looking for a nice spot. Another project that was going on separately was to study the laws and regulations, and they identified that there is a Belgique regulation that may require significant investment to be met. Now, what is the program manager to do here? The plant land acquisition project is going ahead of schedule and well within the budget, and the project manager is doing a great job, but its output is no longer needed. So the program manager will cancel that project and start a new project. Why? Because all projects are serving the objectives of the program. If new information from outside or from other projects puts the goals at risk, the program manager will take steps like cancelling the project and start a new one with modified deliverables, or delay a project until the information is verified or more data is available, and so on. As I said, the program manager coordinates the project. The coordination can be about many things. Review project change requests to understand the impact on the program, resolve resource conflicts between projects, allocate budgets and reserves to projects, collect progress reports from projects, and provide an overall program progress report to the senior management. Then review risks identified and being managed by projects. Sometimes risks may even be handled at the program level. And one big thing is to ensure that the program stays aligned with the organizational goals, and projects actually keep aligned to the program goals. This is what program management is and what a program manager does.